to address the issue of error code F25 on a Maytag washer. It is essential to understand what this code signifies. Error code F25 indicates a problem with the air in the drive motor tachometer. The causes of this issue include a damaged drive motor tachometer. To resolve this problem, troubleshooting the drive motor tachometer is necessary. Start by disconnecting the washer from the power supply. Then inspect the drive motor for any blockages and remove them if necessary. Verify that the associated wiring, bolts, and tapes are in their proper place. Using a multimeter, check the drive motor resistance, which should be approximately 115 ohms. A different reading suggests the drive motor is damaged and needs replacement. After completing these steps, reconnect the washer to the power supply and restart it to see if the issue is resolved. If the error code persists or the drive motor resistance is not within the standard range, it is recommended to seek further assistance from a professional.